Mastering AI prompt writing, transforming content creation. In an age when artificial intelligence is becoming more integrated into our daily lives, prompt writing has great potential. This simple job might revolutionize content creation by making it more efficient, creative, and accessible. This video will explore AI prompt writing in English, its strengths, challenges, and fascinating potential. AI prompt writing generates human-like language from prompts or instructions using complex algorithms and machine learning models. This technology has evolved because it can grasp and mimic human language patterns. The perplexity. Human language contains complexity and AI has started learning it. AI prompt writing measures language difficulty by perplexity. It's crucial when assessing AI-generated content. Large data sets teach AI systems to understand and imitate complex language structures, idioms, and jargon. This produces text that reads well and sounds natural and engaging. Content creators are transformed by AI's confusion handling. It effortlessly generates material on a wide range of topics, from complex scientific themes to compelling storytelling, while preserving coherence and relevancy. Burstiness, variation art. The writing of a human being does not remain constant. The beauty of their writing lies in this fact. Burstiness is sentence structure and length variety, whereas perplexity assesses text complexity. Writing can fluctuate between long, elaborate sentences and short, simple ones. This variation engages readers and communicates ideas. Although AI produces more consistent text, AI technology allows models to be fine-tuned to add burstiness to create content. This means that AI can mimic the art of human writing, seamlessly transitioning between different sentence structures to create content that's not only informative but also captivating. Although AI has made progress in prompt writing, it does face hurdles. For instance, biases in generated content are a major concern. AI systems learn from their training data, which can reflect biases in the output text. These biases must be monitored and mitigated to ensure fair and accurate material. The right balance between bewilderment and coherence is another issue. Writing complex language might be hard for the typical reader. AI prompt writing struggles to blend complexity with clarity.